Queen, 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 queen. Ooh. Queen, 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 queen. Oh. Brooklyn queen. Do, 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 do.
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to JCC. See? Sound like I'm saying JCC again. Anyway, welcome back to Jill's Comfort Zone. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're new here, pull up your seat. Pull up your seat, click that subscribe button, and hit that bell so you can be notified for when I am coming to you with more delicious meals from Jill's Comfort Zone home to yours. Anyway, my JCC fams, and welcome back as always. So today, I am doing my first challenge. And you know what? I got so nervous. I left my notes and everything. So, I didn't even start the video. So, I guess I can stop from here and I'll be right back so I can get my notes. All right, I'm back. Sizzle and pop. Sizzle and pop. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle and pop. Welcome to Jill Comfort Zone. Sizzle and pop, sizzle, pop. We season, we cook it, we eat it. We season, we cook it, we eat it. All right, y'all. I'm back. And I got my notes. All right, this is my first challenge. As you can see. Hope you can see that. I got 5. Ooh! Let me move this water before I spill that too. I got my 5 whole wings. Excuse me, guys. 5 whole wings. See. And so that's 5 whole wings. I got my timer sitting here. So I'm about to do this 5 whole wings in 5 minutes challenge that was created by Tommy Bites TV. Hey. So Tommy Bites, your very first challenge and my very first try of a challenge. How neat is that? I like that. I love watching her. Her spirit is so high. She's calm, she's mellow, and so helpful. So, all right. So, I'm going to get into this challenge. I got my red hot sauce here. I got 5 wings. So, the challenge is, it says, I believe, so you have to eat 5 whole wings in 5 minutes. And it has to be the whole wing. It cannot be half a wings. And if you're doing more than one person in the video, each person has to have 5 wings. All right. So you have to eat all 5 of them in 5 minutes. You have to challenge 5 people as well. No editing. So I edit the beginning. I mean, it's not really edit. I pause. I needed to go get my notes so I could see who I'm a challenge and make sure I got the rules. So this challenge is called Chomp That Chicken Challenge. Yeah. You heard me. Chomp That Chicken Challenge. So each wing you eat, every time you finish one wing, you have to say chomp that chicken after each completed wing. Also, it says, and that's it. So no editing video. You must complete 5 whole chicken wings in 5 minutes per person. If you're doing more than one, you have to tag Tommy Bites TV and also tag the people that you are challenging to this challenge. And that's about it. And after you eat each wing, you're going to say, chomp that chicken. I'm nervous. I know I'm not a fast eater, so I know I am not going to be probably doing not too well with this. So we shall see. All right. I thought this was the easiest challenge I've seen so far. And I usually can eat 3 wings myself, but not really fast. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my hot sauce. I'll put a little bit on the plate. Then I'll put a little on the wings, so I won't be wasting time picking up no hot sauce. And all right. All right, let me let you know who I'm challenging. I am challenging Mama Roslo. Did I say that right? Mama Roslo. I chose you since you was the last person to give me a shout out. Thank you, sis, for the love. I appreciate you. I went and showed you love back. So let's chomp this chicken, girl. 5 minutes. I'm going to challenge my lovely daughter, Jazmire. She says she's ready to get her YouTube channel up. So why not put up your first video? Well, she had one, but video. Chomp that chicken. I challenge you. She's at a program tonight, so she's not here with me. So I'm recording by myself again. So anyway, the next person I challenge is Latisha Campbell. Yes, girl. Chomp that chicken. 5 wings, 5 minutes. Let's get it, Brooklyn. That's my own girl. I also challenge, I looked through your thing, Xtina Grubz. Xtina Grubz. I looked through your challenges and I was watching your videos. I didn't see this chomp that chicken challenge on your channel. So hopefully you haven't already done it. If you did, excuse me. I put one bonus up there. My other daughter, Sabrina, let's get it. You want to start your YouTube channel? Well, I know it's not going to be about food for the both of you guys, but what fun way to join in as a family. Help mama chomp that chicken. Also, last but not least, eating with Shadia. Love, I thank you. I really appreciate you. I truly enjoy watching you and your family, you and your husband with challenges. You reached out to me, opened up your heart, and truly inspired me to keep going and going and going. And you keep that encouragement up. So I'm staying strong, doing what I do. Now, I'm not promising I'll be doing many challenges here, but I will try my best to do the ones that is simple, like the cucumber challenge. I want to do the strawberry challenge. But anyway, let me stop prolonging for my chicken get cold, and I'm sitting here getting scared. I sometimes ramble on and on and on because I'm scared. So I am about to hopefully press the right button. Let me just turn this around here so I can see. Okay, so I'm going to position my finger here. And I hope you guys can see the clock. So, I'm going to push this a little closer. And I think I see that's where my finger is. And there we go. I don't know. Well, I feel like my jaws is tired already. And we ain't even into the drunk that one. We ain't even into it yet. And my jaws are feeling like stop. Oh yeah, Tommy Bite said we could drink. Oh, excuse me. We could drink during this challenge. Thanks for looking out, sis. Chomp that chicken. Oh my God. Mm. Ooh. True. Just go chill. I don't have nobody coaching me. What they say? Cheer for your darn self. Cheer for yourself. Mm-hmm. Chomp that chicken. Can't really see in that. Mm-hmm. Yeah, Matt. This don't feel good. This don't feel good, guys. Mm-mm. Ooh, I love the tips. That's my best part of the piece of chicken. It's the tips. This don't feel good. Chomp that chicken. Guess I better start biting in here. Hope you have to see the clock. Time, seeing the time always scared me. Taking tests in school and stuff like that. Ooh. I don't want to see the clock. Don't forget to like, share, and comment down below. Everyone's challenge. You could do this. Chomp that chicken. One more to go. Oh God, I don't know. Well, 4 pieces of chicken. Oh my God. Woo. Oh my God. Okay. Done. It won't let me. Whew. That was hard. Excuse me. I had made wings for dinner in the air fryer. So I had some wings left over. And it was just looking, I think it was calling me. It said challenge. I don't know. But I'm full. I ain't gonna let my chips go to waste. I'm full though. Ooh. Oh my God, girl. That could be my late night snack. Not late, but you know, when this food digests, because I ain't eating nothing else but some cucumbers. That's what I should have had on the side of this right now. But I want to get this out of the way. So hopefully this will be posted for you guys. Excuse me, at 8 p.m. Excuse me. I am not you can't edit. So remember guys, all y'all who I challenge, thank you Tommy Bites TV for this challenge. Sorry I fell. But I know you ain't sorry. Alright, because I think you ate 4 too, right? Ooh, this is really hard, guys. I don't know about these challenges. Easy ones I may do. I was gonna make and I didn't eat all day because I was festering over. I did have I skipped the shake and everything. I didn't do anything today. I had a cup of coffee, cup and a half of coffee all day long, and water. Because I knew I had in my mind that I was going to try this. So once again, I challenge Mama Roslo. Hopefully I said your name right. Jazmire, my daughter. By the way, my daughter will be 18 this Saturday. Oh my God, I am so emotional. I'll get into that in a moment. Latisha Campbell, Eat with Tish. Hey, 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 hey. My Brooklyn native. I know you all about it. I seen you try those 20 wings, be love challenge. Girl, I told you I couldn't do that. Now, if it was some wings, I was on deck. Now, these ain't 20. But I don't like legs anyway like that. So I knew I couldn't do that. But 20? Heck no, I ain't doing that. Xtina Grubz. Let's go. Eating with Shadia. And Sabrina, my other daughter. I'm not going to be long in here. I took the challenge. I'll go, Jill. It's your birthday. No, it ain't my birthday, but I'll go, Jill. I'll go, Jill. What's up? What's up? I season, I cook it, I eat it. I season, I cook it, I eat it. Hey, sizzle, drop, sizzle, pop, sizzle, 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 pop. Hey, I like that. It's catchy. I gotta do a little something. Jill Comfort Zone. How y'all like my daughter's voice? I hope y'all enjoy her voice. She's so beautiful. Both of my daughters have a beautiful voice. They really do. Anyway, on the note of Jazmire, her birthday, she's about to be 18. My oldest is 22. Oh my God, I'm about to be a mom, home alone. I don't know what that feels like. Being a single mom for 22 years. Yeah, I don't know what that feels like, having an empty nest. But my baby not leaving me yet, so she'll be home for a few more years. God's willing, and if I don't get sick of her butt and be like, bah! But, yeah, so it's her birthday, 18. She loves seafood. She hasn't had crabs in a long time. And, you know, a lot of seafood because, you know, I'm allergic. So, yeah. It's been a long time, and I wanted to do something special for her. So, I don't know. Trying to get that together for her for this weekend, and me, her, and her sister is going to spend some time together for the birthday. So look out for that. I don't know because I can't go live, but I heard it's an app. I think I was Tommy Bice I was watching. I think an app that I can go live without reaching, you know. I'm gonna research that because I would like to go live so she could see everybody saying happy birthday. Oh my God. So look forward to that. I'm going to be doing a seafood boil Hopefully my funds is good enough to get her some of those king crab legs. Oh, her eyes was like bing. And then I could finally do the be love sauce. So that's all in God's hands. So we're going to pray on that, all right? So anyway, I want to thank you guys for joining me. I did not win. I fell 4 minutes. 4 wings in 5 minutes. That's good for me to have been. This is my first challenge ever. So I'll see. I think I've seen a few other challenges that I want to try, but after I did this one, I was going to do that beef ribs, 12 bones. And actually, I got that sitting out in the fridge. I was going to cook that later on tonight and try that tomorrow or Thursday, but no, sir. I ain't doing that. These little, even though those ribs, those bone beef ribs, they don't be really having no meat on it, but I ain't about to try. I'm going to save that delicious thing for a real Sunday dinner so I can enjoy it, because I did not enjoy these wings eating too fast. So anyway, Tommy Bites, your girl did it. Thank you for the inspirational video that you put up there, the things that new YouTubers should not do or make mistakes. I think one of those titles. All right, y'all. Chomp That Chicken challenge created by Tommy Bites TV. I shouted out all of you who I challenged to do this challenge, and everyone who follows, who is subscribed or watch me, you're welcome to it. Hey, so all right, guys, I'm about to sign out till comfort zone. We cook it. No, sorry. We season, we cook it, we eat it. Hey, we season, we cook it, we eat it. Hey, and that is just exactly what I did right now. I cooked, I seasoned it, I cooked it, and I ate it. Hello. Anyway, I love you guys. As I always say, stay blessed. I love you, and peace out till the next time. Later. See? There we go.